Okay, so this is a quick walkthrough of the new Zapier integration that I've created for Poodle.net, which is a modified version of Moodle, which could also be used directly from Moodle if you use the Poodle Trigger plugin. So in Zapier, we can connect two apps via their APIs. So in this case, we've got a Stripe app and we've got the Moodle app. And if we look at the trigger, which is going to start the integration, for Stripe, we have these triggers here: cancel subscription, failed payment, new customer, new subscription, etc. And for Moodle, we have simply find a course. That's the only thing that we can do as a response to an event in another app. If we look at it from the other perspective, if something happens in Moodle and we want to make that trigger a response in another app, in this case MailChimp, the events that we listen to in Moodle are new course and new enrolled student in the course. And then in MailChimp, we can do things like create a campaign, add a tag, find a subscriber, remove a subscriber, add a subscriber to the thing. So those events are very few, and this Moodle application here was not made by Moodle. It seems to have been made by the people at Zapier. Now, if we just replace Moodle here with Poodle.net, and then we look at the actions that we can take, well, we can do these things. We can add a user to a group, delete a user, find a user, remove a user from a cohort, add a user to a cohort, create a user, enroll a user in a course. So that's much more useful, isn't it? And if we look at it in the reverse, if we go to this view and we remove Moodle here and we add Poodle.net, then these are the events that we can pass on to something else to respond to. So user updated, course completed, user leveled up if they've got the level up plugin, quiz attempt submitted. And then we can do something in MailChimp. Okay, so now these are our demo zaps that we've created. One will create a MailChimp subscriber when somebody is enrolled in the Moodle course, and the other will create a user and then enroll them in a course when they create as a customer in Stripe. So let's do this first one here. Let's enroll a user in Moodle and create a MailChimp subscriber. So if we go to our Moodle course here, to look at this list of participants, make sure they're all up to date. Okay, let's enroll a user. So Mary Mouse. Okay. So there's Mary Mouse here. If we go over to our subscribers here and we pull down this here to refresh the page. Okay. So Mary Mouse has been created as a subscriber in MailChimp based on an event that happened in Moodle. And if we do something similar, and now we're going to, in Stripe, create a user, a customer, and then that will create a user in Moodle and then enroll them in a course, which is actually a pretty good use case for this application. So I'm going to create a customer in Stripe. I don't want you to see all my existing Stripe users. So just know that I've created a customer. Okay, so we've created Bob Builder as our user, and we're going to refresh our page and review the list of participants. And here we can see Bob Builder has been created and added to our course, and we've even assigned Bob to a group B1. And if we go and look at the subscribers in our MailChimp, we'll see he's probably also been added as a subscriber for the uses of this course. Okay, so that's a quick walkthrough of what you can do using the Poodle.net integration with Zapier, which is based on Poodle Trigger, which can also be used directly on Moodle. So if that's interesting, please let me know.